Hey guys, today's I'm at the Yokosuka steak restaurant called the Ikinari Steak. This is the Ikinari Steaks look like. It has all the advertisement, all kinds of meat here. The best way to come over here to have a steak is weekday and during the lunch times. The lunchtime is very reasonable. It's come with if you don't not gonna select your portion of the meat. And when you order, you can salad and soup. And here at the prices come with it. This is my plate lunch called a checkeye, the 150 gram of checkeye. This is like a US like Angus beef they are using. So this steak lunch will change into. This is my special garlic fried rice with checkeye steak. I pour the tons of the garlic paste and pour Ikinari steak sauce on the last and the crushed pepper on the top. This is gonna be so delicious. And here it is a Ikinari steak. If you come down to Yokosuka, this is a corner. This is very reasonable. If you're space conscious, they don't have not too much white space, but they serve you the best steak and come down here. Well, this is my lunch for today.